Hello everyone, this is just a brief course overview. I appreciate you joining us on this journey of learning effective communication. So of course this is CCM 110 Communications, and I'm your Professor Patrick Williams, or your instructor, and I'll be helping you along this journey over time. Just some brief concepts about this course. This course is strictly online. We'll have check-ins every once in a while if needed, but the majority of this work can be done online, and it's not the type of work that needs constant instructor follow-up or check-in in regards to making sure that our overview of assignments are moving in the right direction. So I say that to mean the majority of this you can do on an online format, and I'll be there to help you as much as I can or as much as need be. But the hope is that you take advantage of the material in this course and really help yourself by checking in and reading the material and taking overview of all the work that is needed. So just to highlight the normalcy of this course, it's going to have pretty much the same thing that you see in other required PIMA courses for your program. Some of the evaluation pieces is going to be important. You're going to have homework and discussion boards most of the time weekly, so keep an eye on that as course content opens up. You'll also have a one-time APA presentation, which the majority of it will revolve around a paper, and that'll be really great for you to determine how to really work and describe things in a communicative way on paper, and then be able to give an overview presentation that you will submit via Blackboard for myself to view, and just to highlight your work that you did in your paper so we understand a little bit further what that's about. But more to come on APA paper and presentation. Homework, it's going to be different each week, so take a look at your course content to make sure that you're up to scale on that. PPS is pretty much standard. Make sure that you're participating. It's a big chunk of your grade. If you do well at that, most of the time you're going to do pretty well in the course, because it's pretty much highlighted by your participation in your exams, and then also in your presentation and homework. So if you turn everything in on time, of course, your PPS should be pretty high. Discussion boards, which are pretty fun. You can communicate with other staff members, including me, of course, but the main piece is communicating with other students. So you'll log in and post your initial post depending on what the discussion board's about, and then you'll reply to two other students. And then finally your final exam, which shouldn't be too terribly difficult, but interesting in regards to the concepts of the course. The course syllabus and the course schedule is going to be found on the left side of the course where it says course syllabus. That'll pull up everything, and I'm going to go ahead and click course content. You're not going to be able to see all this right now because this is an instructor view, but each week we'll open up a chapter and you'll be able to log in and see the information needed for that week in regards to completing your work, and also you'll be able to see the lecture in that week. So I'll have a pre-recorded lecture. You'll be able to log in, make sure that you listen to that, understand the material, and then kind of move from there. Otherwise, it's pretty much a standard course. There's not going to be a lot of variable change from other courses that you've had online. However, there might be at times some different things that come up that I move around, or you might find something in this course that you're like, I'm a little confused on this, or there might be a mistake here and there. Make sure you notify me of that when that happens. And the best way to get in touch with me is my email. It's pwilliams@pmi.edu, or you can find it on the My Instructor piece on the course outline in Blackboard. a pretty easy way to find my email. But if you need anything at any time, always reach out. I'm happy to help. But I hope you enjoy this course and you move through and are able to communicate in a better manner and style than you did before you took it. Thanks.